The drape object command will drape a object into a surface. So for example, maybe in this area here, we want to take this grade break line that is within this area here, and you can see that it's down at 0, and we want to project it up to this site, or at least to the surface. So on the Surfaces tab, you're going to choose Drape Objects, and we'll go ahead and set it on a layer. We'll put it on this breakline layer, and you can see here we can do surface sharpness, where we can do sharp and texture boundary, soft or sharp. We'll do sharp and texture, and that'll allow us to put a texture in here later on. You can select multiple or pick the reference line or point, so you can project points up as well. So I'm going to click apply, and you'll see that now that line has been projected onto that surface. Now I can add that surface to the break line, or to the surface, or I can do some other things with it.